Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very special video. We're going to install Sumo Springs by supersprings.com onto the Tacoma. A little bit about the Sumo Springs. Before that came out, the only two options to beef up the rear suspension was either getting an Adaleaf or installing a air suspension. So now with the Sumo Springs, now there's a third option that anybody can do on their truck. Just requires simple tools, and I'll show you a little bit about that as we get further into the video. So what comes with the package is a few things. We have the specific part number for the Sumo Springs. This is for the two-wheel drive Toyota Tacoma, the base. And then on the back it has installation instructions and everything you will need. Then it also comes with their social media and the springs itself. So it only comes with two, since that's all you need, and then it comes with a specific hardware that comes with it. And it also comes with two stickers to put on the rear of your window or on your camper shell. So the company Sumo Springs offers 3 different levels of density in their Sumo Springs. So blue with being the lowest dense and the least strongest. Black is the medium, and they also offer a yellow one, which is the most strongest, most dense. So the navy blue offers weight assistance up to 1,000 pounds. The black one offers assistance with up to 1,500 pounds. Then the yellow one offers up to 2,000 pounds for the Tacoma. So for the purpose of the Sumo Springs and to show the differences in weight, we're gonna have the all-terrain tires from a Chevy loaded onto the back of the truck. All right, guys, for this install, you don't need to take off the wheel, but for video content and for more clarity, I'm taking off the wheel so that you can easily locate the bump stop, which is right here, and understand what the whole process. All right, guys, so here is a bump stop, and here are 2 bolts that we need to take off. To take off those bolts, you need a 12 millimeter, and to install the Sumo Spring, you need a 13 millimeter. So we'll go ahead and take it off. Alright, guys, as you can see, I have removed the bump stop, and the bump stop is very tiny compared to the Sumo Spring. So generally, what this will how this works is it's going to sit into the bump stop location, and whenever you have a heavier load, the axle is going to sit right here and cushion the ride, and as well as provide you with better support. When you install, you want to make sure that the bolt and the nut itself of how the Sumo Spring is positioned, whenever it's upright like this or upside down, you want to make sure that this is oriented a little further on top, so that when you place it, the Sumo Spring is farther away than the wheel. So I'm gonna show you again. Make sure that it's a little up. You do not want it to be this way, because then it's gonna miss the position where it needs to be touching at. So you want to make sure it's positioned this way and install it like that. So install the washers. And you want to make sure that so it aligns with the axle, you push it further to the front, so with all the added space. And then you're gonna provide the 13. And then you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. And just repeat this process for the driver's side of the vehicle. That's tight. The Sumo Spring is very secured. It's looking good. After this process, if you did take off the wheel, like I said in the beginning, you don't have to take off the wheel. for the video content I did. Just make sure that you have a torque wrench and set it to the specific torque specifications for the truck. In this case, it's 85 for the Tacoma. And repeat the same process on the other side, and just make sure that you jack up the vehicle with some chalk blocks and use jack stands to properly secure the vehicle, and just stay safe. Alright guys, that's it for the video. Thank you for coming. Please keep in mind that the Sumo Springs, they do not increase your payload or your towing capacity. You still want to stick to the factory specifications for the payload, which is 1400 for the Tacoma base model and 3500 for the towing. So please don't go over that. The Sumo Springs purpose is to help with the ride quality, prevent the sagging, and to overall just improve your experience with towing and loading stuff. Thank you guys again. Our channel is growing really fast, and we just appreciate your support. We also want you to please comment some stuff on like some future things that you would like to see on this two-wheel drive Tacoma. And also don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And please share this video and other videos to your friends. That would really help us out a lot.